welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France and Gail. Today I'm here with Gail in Gail's kitchen. We're at Gail's and John's place, and this is Friday night pizza tonight. Yes. And so we're gonna build a healthy pizza with lots of vegetable on it here. But first of all, what's our base here, Gail?
Our base is an organic spinach and tomato with a thin crust.
Oh, so that should be delicious. Okay, let's start putting things on our pizza. So we have some zucchini to start with.
Okay.
So we put a bit of zucchini on it. I think we're just gonna put them around like this. Just a little bit more here in the middle. We have a little bit of celery. We put a lot of vegetable on our pizza. It's gonna be so healthy. Okay, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese because we want to build a lot of things on it, and so we want this to stick on our pizza. So I put cheese in between, so that helps for everything
Kind of
to hold it together. So a little bit more cheese here, voila, like this, and we have a little bit of broccoli here. And this is gonna all just cook in the oven.
Probably about 20 minutes at
Okay.
425.
Okay.
Just
Excellent.
till it's bubbling, and we don't want the crust to turn too dark.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
So we put a little bit of onion here as well. That's gonna be nice. And we have some yellow peppers. And it's just gonna
So
cook on top. Yeah, it's so sweet. It's nice. I put a lot, but we want a nice, healthy, lots of veggies
It's like a salad on a pizza.
Exactly. Yeah. Yes.
Or roasted vegetables on
Yeah.
a pizza.
Okay. And we have some crumbled feta cheese here.
Kind of makes it Mediterranean, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Because we love eating
Okay.
Mediterranean.
So there's more cheese, feta cheese here. Let's just put it all on our pizza here, a little bit on this side. Now, those are a little bit spicy, huh?
Yes, they're supposed to be sweet, but they have a little
Sweet and
zip to
spicy.
them.
So they're pickled, huh? Yeah, they pickled the
Yes.
little peppers.
Yes.
One is a yellow one or green and
Yes.
a red one. So we will put just a little bit of this and just for the looks.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
The olives, we just love olives, so we're gonna put a bunch of olives on top. I'll just make sure that they don't go away. And all over we have some green olive here and some Kalamata Greek olives. So I think that
That looks beautiful.
wow, I think that we're ready to put it in the oven. So we've built a nice healthy pizza with all the veggies.
So good.
So in 20 minutes, so our beautiful vegetarian pizza, Friday pizza, is just ready in the oven. So we'll bring it over here and have a look at it. Ooh, that looks really perfect. Let's just get it off here on the board. Oh, that looks delicious. Can't wait to try. Now with the pizza, we know we want to taste immediately because it looks so good and delicious and we're hungry, but it's just a better idea to give it the time to just sit just a few minutes. It tastes better. So, but we can just cut it and have a look at how it is in the middle. So we're just gonna cut that.
Nice and crisp.
And so let's
Look at how
see
beautiful
this
that is.
pizza. It's all juicy and beautiful.
Lovely.
So
Friday night pizza.
Friday night pizza. Bon appetit.